Hello? Today I'm going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code so you can program in C++. First of all, we need to download VS Code, of course. In my case, I'll download the Windows version. You have to download the version for your operating system. Once the download starts, let's go to the C++ section, then to GCC on Windows. Here, it asks us to install an extension, but we'll do that later. Scroll down and download the MinGWW64 toolchain. Click on Direct Link to the installer and wait for it to finish downloading. Next, open the installer. Click Next repeatedly. And then finish. The program will open. Now, let's copy the command from the documentation. Right-click and paste it. Press Enter. It will ask if you want to install everything. Just press Enter again. Continue with the installation? Type Y and hit Enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Once that's done, you can close everything. Now let's copy the path from the documentation and open your environment variables. Select Path and click Edit. Then, create a new one by clicking New and paste the path you copied. Press Enter and then OK. Next, let's check that the installation worked correctly. Open the command prompt and just type gcc version. Perfect. Then G++ version. Great. And GDB version. Everything is correct. Now close everything and open Visual Studio Code. Let's install the extension. C++ Extension Pack. Done. Perfect. Next, create a new text file. Select the language you want. You can do it from here or down below. It doesn't matter. Choose C++. Then we'll try to run a simple program that prints a message. Save the file wherever you like. And as you can see, the extension is .cpp, which stands for C++. Up here there's a Run button. Click it, then select the first option that appears. If it's your first time running C++ code in VS Code, you might see some strange messages in the console. Just click Run again and your message should appear. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope I was clear in each step. If you had any problems or couldn't complete the installation, write a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time.